Someone asked me how to make Cajun seasoning. So while I was working in New Orleans in one of the hotels, the Royal Orleans Hotel, Chef Paul Prudhomme asked me if I wanted to work one night over at the Commander's Palace when his person was off. So I did that for about a month, and then I saw all the ingredients that he used to put together his Cajun seasoning, and this is it. Now, what you're looking at is for the meats, and his seasoning for the fish and seafood was exactly the same with paprika added to it. So the paprika you'd have to do, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a cup. Anyway, someone asked me for this, and there it is.